What's up, people? I'm in the garage, been doing a little bit of work on the Impala, building a custom center console, and I ended up going to Home Depot because I was in the market for a new jigsaw. I wanted something that was cordless. When I went online, I checked out some of their deals, and they had a jigsaw for $100 without any battery or anything. It was their brushless series. But as I scrolled through, I noticed that they had some deals going on for some tool kits, similar to the one behind me right here. Currently, I don't know how long the sale's gonna last, but they got a deal going on, and it's multiple different combos going on, but most of them come with 5 items, usually 5 tools, or you can get 3 tools and 2 batteries, whatever the case may be. But they got these tool kits going on for $229, actually 50% off right now. So I couldn't pass up the deal of spending $100 on just a jigsaw when I could actually get a bunch more for $130 more. So let me show you guys what I got. I only spent 229 bucks for this whole kit, which, as you can see, comes with the charger, comes with the drill, impact, jigsaw, circular saw, 2 4-amp-hour batteries, and it also comes with a 2-amp-hour battery, and if I'm not mistaken, this one's, yeah, another 3-amp-hour battery. So you get 4 batteries out of this kit, plus 4 tools, and then in the back here they give you a carry bag. All these tools are brushless, so I've been using them for the past week, and so far so good, no problems with them. I wouldn't necessarily consider this for heavy duty. I've always used my Milwaukee tools for anything that was heavy duty, but something that you're just out in the garage on the weekends doing projects here and there. Ryobi isn't too bad to go with their price point. It's not gonna break the bank, and you get a decent tool. These batteries do have the indicator on them to let you know how charged they are, which is nice. Alright guys, I'm not going to get too in depth with these tools, but I'll go ahead and put a battery in each one here. Go ahead and show you it. It's got the trigger here. That's a lock right there. And then there's the speed. That's the speed. It's got a light on the bottom there. Then it's got your orbital mode on the side. It's got your locking mechanism here. This allows you to do your angle cuts. And then a quick release for the blade. Got your circular saw here. Battery goes in on the side. You can see it's got sawdust all over it because I've been using it. But trigger up here, slide this to the side. Also has a built-in light, LED light there, so you can see what you're cutting. There's your adjustments for the angle. The tool goes in the back here for the blade, which is nice. Adjustment for the depth. And always stays locked unless you push this to the side. It's a nice safety feature. Got your impact here. It's got your bit holder on the front. Magnet there for your screws. Forward and reverse like normal. Quick release. Got your belt hook there. And this one comes with the 3-amp-hour battery. Battery bars on there. And then it has the LED light. Here's the drill. Typical drill, same thing. Bit holder on the front. Got your magnetic base there. 1 and 2. turn down or turn up, depending on which you're screwing. Obviously it's keyless. Also got your belt hook there and LED light. Like I said, all these are brushless. And you got your charger. And then it comes with the bag that I got in the back there. Couple quick cuts there. I will go ahead and put the jigsaw to the test. See how well it does. As you can see, it went through it no problem. This actually is the blade that it comes with. It's already been used a few times. Alright guys, so that's going to be it for this video. Quick update on my Ryobi garage door opener that I installed. Still working perfectly fine. Haven't had any problems. There's my phone that just went off to let me know that my garage door just opened. Hope this video helps you guys out if you're looking for some power tools that ain't gonna break the bank. If you guys found this video useful, hit that like button. You guys like what I'm doing on my channel here, hit that subscription button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you guys get notified when I post my next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.